Hello everyone, I am Satish from Ghent University, Belgium. My PhD research topic is dihydroascorbate induced resistance in rice against root knot nematode Meloidegein graminicola. So first, what are nematodes? Nematodes are thread-like microscopic worms. They are parasitic to plants, animals and some are free-living, feeding on variety of microbes. Plant parasitic nematodes feeds on plants or crops and causes heavy economic losses. Among plant parasitic nematodes, root knot nematode Meloidegein graminicola is one of the most important nematode problems in rice. Rice, which is one of the most important food crops globally and provides staple food for more than half of world's population. And controlling root knot nematodes in rice is challenging. Though the chemical nematicides is one of the options available, but apart from its cost involved, they are harmful to both humans and environment. So induced resistance can be one of the alternative strategies against plant parasitic nematodes. So what is induced resistance? It refers to the reduced disease susceptibility of a plant in response to IR stimulants. IR stimulants may be any biotic or abiotic agents or any chemical compounds that stimulates induced resistance. And these IR stimulants acts like vaccines. If we treat the plants with IR stimulants, plant becomes ready for future attack from pests and diseases. And our topic deals with studying detailed mechanism of DHA based induced resistance in rice. So what is DHA or dihydroascorbate? It is a oxidized form of ascorbic acid or vitamin C, and we know the importance of vitamin C in boosting immunity in humans. Similarly, this vitamin C or ascorbic acid are important antioxidant in plants, and a recent study shows that oxidation of this vitamin C in rice boost immunity against nematodes. So our research hypothesis or research question is that can we vaccinate rice plants against nematodes using DHA, which is one of the oxidized form of ascorbic acid? And for that we will do several experiments and we will use lot of techniques to study the detailed mechanisms of DHA based induced resistance in rice. And from this research we will come to know the detailed mechanisms of DHA based vaccination in rice, and cost effective and environment friendly method for the management of root knot nematodes in rice will get developed. That are our final goals from this PhD research. Thank you.